Starting on the abbotsfordminorhockey.com page, we see underneath camps and tryouts, we have a number of selections for the different hockey camps, the rep prep, and the two evaluations that will be starting soon. One is the house evaluation, and the second is the rep tryout evaluation. In order to find where your child will be, what group your child will be playing in, and what the schedule will be, we first have to select either rep tryout or house evaluation. I'll select rep tryout here. So you hit rep tryout, and once it loads, there we go. Once it loads to the schedule page. So whether you're in the Atom goalie group or the Pee Wee goalie group or Bantam North, South, East, or West, depending on which group you're in, you just refer to this schedule and find where you need to be. Now on the left hand side, the two most important links are the schedule page. It's the page that opens when you select it from the right hand side menu, but you also have another one called Teams. You select Teams, and you're going to get a listing of all the groups that are going to exist during the whole evaluation process. Some of these groups do not have any players in them. Okay, the only ones that will have players in them are your north, south, east, and west. So you're going to have to navigate through here and find, for example, Atom North, select the team roster, and you will find which players are on that one. If your child is on that team, then you know that, well, I need to be at the Atom North ice time. Please remember that after every ice time, it is possible that your child will be moved to a different group. So after every ice time, continue to check back on the website, make sure which group your child belongs to and when their next ice time is. As well, there will be a bulk email that will be sent after every ice time, letting everybody know that the groups have been finalized and that you can go on the web and look to see where your child is. Okay, so going back to teams, once we're through the first part of the weekend and we no longer have Atom North, South, East, and West, then they will be broken into for example, the Atom inter-squad, and you will see the Atom North, South, East, and West groups disappear from the website, and you will then be going on to the inter-squad groups and looking at where your player is. Okay, and then from there, there's the practice groups, and then finally their final teams for going into the tournament. Now, if we were doing this for the house evaluations, very much the same thing. Other than because they start in September, you have to actually select September in order to get the listing of where the ice times are. Because we're still in August, you'll have to manually select September. But the same thing, here is your schedule for the ice times, your Atom North, Atom South, Atom East, and you just need to go over to Teams, select that, and you will find if your child is in, let's just say, Hockey 4 East. You would, if your child is in Hockey 4, you would only have to check Hockey 4 East, North, or South to find where your player happens to be. Okay, so I hope that answers all the questions. I wish everybody success in the evaluation process. If you have any questions, just email me at jpodoroka@telus.net.